The pomegranate is known for its diverse health benefits, and in this video by The Daily Eco, we'll break down how you can make the most of them. Properties of pomegranate. Inside the peel, arils, and seeds of the pomegranate, you'll find a mix of chemical compounds like water, sugars, organic acids, lipids, and proteins, contributing to its nutritional value. Additionally, the pomegranate is rich in bioactive compounds such as polyphenols, flavonoids, and essential minerals like potassium, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. It doesn't end there. The fruit is also packed with vitamins, including vitamin C, A, D, B5, B6, B1, and B2. Given its nutrient content, the pomegranate tree has significant implications for human health. It is recognized for its diuretic, vitamin-rich, nutritional, anti-inflammatory, antifebrile, antidiarrheal, antioxidant, and anti-parasitic properties. Now, let's explore the practical benefits that make the pomegranate a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Relieves digestive symptoms. Pomegranate, containing dietary fiber, stimulates intestinal activity, providing relief from symptoms associated with stomach disorders like colics. Notably, its tannins possesses antidiarrheal properties, counteracting the usual effects of dietary fiber on the body. Eliminates parasites. Decoctions made from various parts of the pomegranate plant, including the bark, roots, leaves, or fruit peel, effectively eliminate intestinal parasites. Diuretic properties. With over 80% of its weight comprising water and possessing diuretic properties, this fruit facilitates the elimination of water and salts, preventing their retention in the body. Supports cardiovascular health. Pomegranate plays a role in reducing the risk of heart attacks and enhancing blood flow. Furthermore, its impact on cholesterol levels, thanks to the presence of polyphenols, contributes to the overall well-being of the heart. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. Where does the pomegranate originate from? Iran and the Himalayan area, India and the Himalayan area, India and Iran, none of the above. Think about it carefully, because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. If you enjoy the Daily Eco, remember that a super thanks can support us in creating more content like this. Prevents cell damage. Pomegranate generates antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These components actively slow down and prevent the aging of specific cells in the body. Improves skin health. Thanks to its antioxidant potency and rich vitamin content, pomegranate prevents wrinkles, firms the skin, and promotes tissue regeneration. Relieves menopausal symptoms. Among the various benefits for women, pomegranate stands out for its ability to alleviate the discomforting symptoms experienced during menopause. Stimulates the immune system. The high vitamin content in pomegranate, primarily vitamin C, contributes to boosting the immune system. How to enjoy pomegranate? Well, this fruit can be consumed by simply cutting it and extracting its seeds. There are countless of recipes to elevate its taste and nutrition in both savory and sweet dishes. To consume, select a well-conditioned, preferably larger fruit. Cut it into desired pieces, submerge in water, and extract the seeds. Enjoy pomegranate alone, as a juice, in salads, as jam, sauce, or as a delightful addition to desserts. Alternatively, pomegranate can be taken in capsule form. Pomegranate contraindications. Due to its high acidity, pomegranate is not recommended for individuals with gastritis or digestive tract ulcers. If you are on medication, it's crucial to consult with a doctor, as pomegranate can amplify side effects and potentially inhibit the medication's effectiveness. Excessive consumption may lead to severe stomach pain, diarrhea, and vomiting. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is A. While pomegranate originates from Iran and the Himalayan area, it has been naturalized and introduced to many countries, including the Mediterranean and several countries in South America. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and until next time.